Top 10 Car Wash in Manhattan. 1. Clean Club NYC, 5.4 reviews, 5th Avenue number 1769. 2. NYC Premium Detailing, 5.1 reviews, 1st Avenue. 3. Majestic Detail SPA, 4.7, 109 reviews, East 117th Street. 4. Williamsburg Hand Wash and Auto Detailing, 4.6, 364 reviews, Boerum Street. 5. David's Auto Repair, 4.4, 459 reviews, McGuinness Boulevard. 6. Self-Serve Car Wash, 4.4, 28 reviews, Amsterdam Avenue. 7. Ultimate Car Wash, 4.1, 653 reviews, 3rd Avenue. 8. LMC Car Wash and Lube, 4, 1522 reviews, East 109th Street. 9. Broadway Bridge Wash and Lube, 4, 853 reviews, Broadway. 10. Michael's Car Wash, 4, 567 reviews, 36 to 21 21st Street.